Ever wonder what it takes to survive the impossible? And in the brutal world of Chainsaw Man, Denji consistently defies expectations. And he's not like a tactical genius, but a whirlwind of raw determination and terrifying power. It is, and this young man has endured trauma. Uh, Most wouldn't survive, and his resilience is matched only by his bizarre abilities. Let's dive into the moments where Denji truly showcased his unbelievable strength. And from battling monstrous devils to overcoming seemingly insurmountable odds, Denji's journey is filled with astonishing feats. He's a hybrid, a creature of both human and devilish origin, granting him a power level that often leaves opponents reeling. To prepare to witness a ranking of Denji's most incredible displays of strength and willpower, let's start with a memorable clash. Denji faced Santa Claus, a deceptively powerful antagonist. Her control over a puppet army was formidable, but Denji's desperation led to a shocking tactic. He set himself ablaze, rendering her wooden body and shadow powers useless. It was a risky, unconventional move, but it worked, leaving fans stunned by his willingness to go to extremes. And next, consider his battle with Katana Man. In what Denji outsmarted a master swordsman. Um, uh, when conventional attacks failed, he pricked Katana Man with a feigned attack, transforming his legs into chainsaws. It was a display of ingenuity that caught his opponent completely off guard, proving that brains could triumph over brawn. Uh, the confrontation with Machina was a true test of Denji's power. She was a formidable opponent, controlling both devils and humans. Yet Denji fought through her enslaved opponents, ultimately defeating her with a chainsaw forged from Power's blood, which bypassed her regenerative abilities. Uh, it was a brutal, decisive victory against a seemingly invincible foe. And then there's the Eternity Devil. While a creature capable of trapping victims in an endless, maddening loop, while others succumbed to despair, Denji endured. Uh, he willingly entered the devil's stomach and relentlessly tore through its insides for 3 days. The sheer tenacity forced the Eternity Devil to surrender, a testament to Denji's unbreakable spirit. Remember when Denji was betrayed and left for dead by the Yakuza? Moments after being seemingly killed, he transformed into Chainsaw Man and unleashed a furious assault on a zombie army. It was a brutal, visceral display of power, showcasing the devastating potential of his hybrid form. A truly iconic moment in the series. The Bat Devil underestimated Denji after Power lost her beloved cat. Denji's rage ignited, motivated by grief and a rather unusual promise. He obliterated the Bat Double. And this fight wasn't just about power, it was about protecting those he cared for, even if it meant unleashing his full fury. even on the brink of death. And Denji refused to yield. Uh, when facing the Leech Devil weakened and bleeding, he fought with unwavering determination. While Aki ultimately intervened, Denji's resilience in the face of overwhelming odds was truly admirable. He never gives up, even when everything seems lost. Uh, the battle against the Gun Fiend was heartbreaking. Forced to fight a friend possessed by the Gun Devil, Denji was pushed to his limits. The emotional toll was immense, but he ultimately prevailed, a tragic victory that left a lasting impact on the story. It showed a darker side to his strength. When facing the falling devil, Denji took a drastic measure, screen, to overcome the devil's fear-inducing powers. He lobotomized himself, severing his ability to feel fear. It was a shocking act of self-sacrifice, demonstrating his willingness to do whatever it takes to win. A testament to his raw willpower, but the most unbelievable moment, and when Yoru, the War Devil, unleashed a nuclear blast directly at Denji. Any other being would have been vaporized. But Denji not only survived, he tricked Yoru into losing double in similar. Uh, um, it was a moment that defied logic, uh, solidifying Denji as a force of nature. It's safe to say this boy is built different. So there you have it, a ranking of Denji's most incredible feats of power. From self-sacrifice to sheer unadulterated brutality, he consistently pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It just goes to show sometimes um, all you need is a chainsaw and a whole lot of stubbornness. Um, with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,